Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're delving into groundbreaking gadgets that redefine the tech landscape. From the rugged OLED system Tough TG7 to the innovative UV BRITE Go water bottle and the game-changing backbone controller. Let's explore these tech wonders shaping our world. Subscribe for more tech insights. Bigme B251 Series. The Bigme B251 Series is a versatile fitness tracker designed to enhance your active lifestyle. With its sleek design and comprehensive features, it monitors your heart rate, tracks various workouts, and provides real-time health insights. The vibrant touchscreen ensures easy navigation, while its long battery life keeps you connected throughout the day. Stay motivated and achieve your fitness goals with the Bigme B251 Series. Duracell Portable Power Stations M150. The Duracell Portable Power Station M150 is a reliable and compact solution for on-the-go power needs. With a robust 150-watt output, it can charge various devices simultaneously, from smartphones to laptops. Equipped with multiple charging ports, an AC outlet, and a lightweight design, it's perfect for camping, travel, or emergency situations. The Duracell M150 ensures you stay powered up wherever your adventures take you. Eufy Security Indoor Cam S350. The Eufy Security Indoor Cam S350 is a cutting-edge surveillance solution for your home. With advanced AI technology, it offers precise human detection, reducing false alarms. The 2K resolution provides crystal-clear footage, while two-way audio enables communication from anywhere. Privacy is prioritized with local storage options. Easy to install and featuring customizable activity zones, the Eufy Security Indoor Cam S350 ensures peace of mind and smart home security. Lofree QTV Speaker. The Lofree QTV Speaker is a retro-inspired audio gem that seamlessly blends style and functionality. With its vintage design, it delivers a unique aesthetic while offering powerful sound quality. The wireless speaker boasts Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to stream music from your devices. The QTV speaker also features a long-lasting battery, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes with a touch of nostalgia wherever you go. Aerogogo Aerotent Series. The Aerogogo Aerotent series revolutionizes outdoor shelter with its innovative design. This series of inflatable tents provides quick and effortless setup, utilizing advanced air beam technology. With durable materials and a spacious interior, the Aerogogo Aerotent ensures a comfortable camping experience. Its portability and ease of use make it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking convenience and reliability in their shelter solutions. Elago DW6 Apple Watch Stand. The Elago DW6 Apple Watch Stand is a charming and functional accessory for Apple Watch users. Crafted to resemble the iconic Game Boy, this stand turns your Apple Watch into a nostalgic piece of tech art. The stand supports nightstand mode, allowing you to use your watch as a bedside clock. Its silicone construction provides a secure grip, ensuring a stylish and stable charging solution for your Apple Watch. Glowstone Flashlight. The Glowstone Flashlight is a reliable and versatile illumination tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Powered by advanced LED technology, it delivers a bright and efficient beam of light. Its rugged and waterproof construction makes it ideal for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. The flashlight's compact size and long battery life ensure it's always ready for use, providing a dependable source of light in any adventure or situation. Blind Spot Gear Lumicard. The Blind Spot Gear Lumicard is a compact and powerful LED light panel designed for creative lighting solutions. With its slim design and adjustable brightness, it's perfect for photography, videography, and content creation. The Lumicard's versatility is enhanced by its color temperature adjustment feature, allowing users to achieve the desired lighting ambience. Portable and easy to mount, this light panel is a valuable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Murena 2 offers a sense of trust and enhanced privacy in the digital age. With dedicated privacy switches, it grants complete control over microphones, cameras, and network connectivity, acting as a robust defense against digital surveillance. Powered by the privacy-centric EOS, it guarantees secure app usage. Its top-notch camera captures impeccable shots, ensuring stellar performance and high-quality hardware. With the power to disconnect at will, the Murena 2 provides a unique blend of functionality and privacy, making it an uncanny choice in the realm of smartphones. KARBEN Wallet. The KARBEN Wallet in carbon fiber is a sleek and secure solution for modern-day concerns about identity theft. Crafted with a stylish carbon fiber finish, it not only looks sophisticated, but also features RFID blocking technology to protect against electronic data theft. This slim and durable wallet combines style with functionality, offering a safe and stylish way to carry your essentials in the digital age. Satechi Viven Leather Magnetic Wallet Stand. The Satechi Viven Leather Magnetic Wallet Stand is a multifunctional accessory that combines style and practicality. Crafted with premium Viven leather, it provides a sophisticated look. The stand securely holds your smartphone with magnetic attachments, offering the convenient hands-free viewing experience. Its integrated card slots make it a practical wallet, ensuring you have essentials on hand. This versatile accessory is perfect for those seeking a blend of fashion and functionality. Ortomi Companion Gen 4. The Ortomi Companion Gen 4 is a cutting-edge smart wearable designed to enhance your daily life. Packed with advanced features, it offers health tracking, notifications, and fitness monitoring. Its sleek design and vibrant display provide a modern and stylish look. With intuitive controls and long battery life, the Ortomi Companion Gen 4 is a reliable companion that seamlessly integrates into your active lifestyle, keeping you connected and informed throughout the day. Surge Emergency Bulb. The Surge Emergency Bulb is a versatile and essential lighting solution for unexpected power outages. This LED bulb doubles as an emergency flashlight, automatically turning on when it detects a power failure. With a rechargeable battery, it ensures extended illumination during emergencies. The Surge Emergency Bulb is an innovative and reliable tool, providing peace of mind and safety in situations where reliable lighting is crucial. OLEM System Tough TG7. The OLEM System Tough TG7 is a rugged and versatile digital camera built for adventurers. Waterproof, shockproof, and freeze-proof. It withstands challenging environments. Equipped with advanced imaging technology, it captures stunning photos and 4K videos. The built-in field sensor system records environmental data, enhancing your storytelling. With its durability and imaging capabilities, the Tough TG7 is an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts seeking high performance and reliability. BRITE Go Self-Cleaning UV Water Bottle. The BRITE Go Self-Cleaning UV Water Bottle is a game-changer in hydration technology. This innovative bottle features a built-in UVC light cap that sterilizes both the water and the bottle, ensuring a clean and safe drinking experience. With a sleek design, BPA-free construction, and the ability to purify water in just 60 seconds, it's a convenient and reliable companion for those on the go, prioritizing health and hygiene. Backbone Controller. The Backbone Controller is a game-changing accessory for mobile gamers. With a familiar console-like design, it transforms your iPhone into a handheld gaming powerhouse. The controller provides tactile feedback, responsive buttons, and seamless integration with popular games. Its customizable buttons and low-latency connectivity enhance the gaming experience, making the Backbone Controller an essential tool for mobile gaming enthusiasts looking for console-quality control on their iPhones. In the grand tapestry of tech, our exploration unveils wonders and possibilities. If you reveled in this journey, a thumbs up and a subscription would mean the world. Join us in the evolving landscape of innovation. Until next time, stay connected and inspired.